Is your Siemens EQ6 stuck on the please wait message? No grinding, no heating, just frozen on the startup screen? This is usually a simple memory or sensor glitch, not a hardware failure. Let's walk through the steps to fix it. By the end of this video, your machine should be up and running again. Step 1. Power cycle properly. Turn the machine off using the main power switch. Then unplug it from the wall. Wait at least 5 to 10 minutes. This clears internal memory and resets startup logic. Step 2. Open the right panel and remove the brewing unit. Once unplugged, open the service door on the right. Slide out the brewing unit carefully. Check for moisture, loose grounds, or anything out of place. Let it air dry briefly. Step 3. Clean and reinsert the brewing unit. Rinse the brewing unit under warm water, no soap. Shake off excess water and let it sit for a few minutes to dry. Then reinsert it, making sure it clicks in securely. Step 4. Check the drip tray and grounds bin. Remove and reinsert both trays firmly. If either is slightly out of place, the system might fail its startup check. Step 5. Plug back in and try again. Now plug the machine back in and switch it on. If it boots normally, you're good. If it's still stuck, repeat the process with a longer unplug time, or contact Siemens support for deeper diagnostics. That should get your EQ6 past the please wait screen and back to making coffee. Still stuck after trying all of that? Contact Siemens support. We've included the link below in the description. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Drop any questions or issues in the comments. We may feature them next. Thanks for watching, and happy brewing!